Hi guys, today I'm going to show you an easy messy bun hack for medium length hair. To start, divide the hair straight across from ear to ear and then pop the top half into a ponytail. On the last turn, only bring that ponytail about halfway through to create a small loop. Just clip this loop on top of the head for now so it keeps it out of your way. And then we're going to repeat the same steps on the remaining hair. So start creating your ponytail. On the last turn, only pull it halfway through to create another loop. Now I'm going to add some spray wax all across the top of the hair to help control flyaways, and then gently pinch and pull the hair for a little bit more texture and volume. Now I'm going to pop a finger and thumb through the centre of the top loop, grab hold of that bottom loop and pull it all the way through the centre. And with that top loop I'm going to give it one full turn. Hold that top loop to the head and then secure it all the way around the outside with a few bobby pins. Then just secure the bottom loop to the head with a couple more pins. Add some texture powder to your loops. I'll pop everything I'm using in the description below. Then gently pull each twist and turn of this bun to give it more volume and texture. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.